Hello guys, welcome to Way to Treasure. Our channel will discuss about the trades that we have taken in the past and the percentage of returns that we have generated from the trades. So if you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment on how you feel the explanations are good or bad. Depending on your comments, we can make changes to our teachings. So if you feel that this class or that this explanation is very slow, please watch this video at 1.5x. So now let's deep dive into the trade that we're gonna discuss today. So today we're gonna discuss about Bharati Airtel, which we have traded multiple times in the past, and the reasons that we have considered to select this trade. Oh, sorry, have remove the quantity because like I don't want to share like how much quantity that we are doing. Okay, so initially first we traded on a in May, sold it in August, and then bought again in 4 days, and then finally sold in September. So these are the prices. So let's go and have a look in the chat. I mean chart. So this is a chart that we had. So if you see here, like there is a big consolidation. So which started somewhere around in April first week, and the consolidation went on till end of August or maybe last week of August. We had traded somewhere in May. So when the price came to 536 around here 536. So we have waited a phase of consolidation. So basically, I can say that like I have entered very much early, and I had a stop loss of 518. But if you see the beauty of this consolidation, so it touched 520 many times, but it haven't touched 518. So my stop loss is still in intact. So once it started moving, so it started it reached a high of 643. Okay, but I have sold somewhere around 594 on 26th of August. So 26th of August is somewhere here. So I sold when it started falling back basically. So I sold at 594, but it reached 583 and then moved up. So, so what was my thinking of selling at 594, selling at 594 and buying back at 609 is, so clearly it state, uh, if you, I mean, I want to discuss about this line. This is multi-year high. So when it touched multi-year high, like I thought like it is coming back, but it broke the multi-year high strongly again here. So at this point I thought like maybe like this is going to break this multi-year high with a volume. So again I decided to enter at 609. So here I took a Fibonacci series. Here I thought like just let me clear all these drawings. So, so I thought maybe this is the point where the retracement happened. So I draw a fib retracement starting from this point to this point and retracement as 583 levels. So this gave me a one time a target of 704 and 778. I'm sure that it will reach 704, and like there are high chances of touching even 778. So whenever my price crossed 704, I kept a stop loss of 704. So if it comes down, then I don't want this trade. I want to exit from this trade. Later on, when it went to 740, I thought maybe let me I thought to change this 704 by 1% to 711. So that's what happened, and it touched 711 while after coming from 743. So from 743 it came back to 711 and my trade has been triggered. So now I have traded from 536 to 594, which is around somewhere around I took in May and exited in August. That is June, July, August, 3 months, around 10.6 percentage of returns, and from 609 to 711. This is basically like not more than a month. That's what I see here. It's around 38 to 28 nines. It's just a month, 1 month, and the returns are 16.7%. So basically, so generally, if you see some mutual funds, this is a yearly return for a mutual fund. But in this case, in Airtel, we just got in 1 month. So these are the reasons, guys, like why we have took Bharti Airtel in our screenshot. Sorry, into our consideration, and we had our fancy returns in that. So what my point here is like just wait for one trade that gives you success and then trade on it and make your savings or make your savings earn better than mutual funds or any other schemes. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share, like and subscribe, and also leave a comment so that like you will be notified for the future content of our video.